Right. Oh, we still have to wait for a lot of people. Only 49 people. Yeah. Chandana, మీరు better if you ask the admin అండి. Not sure because నేను నిన్న చెప్పాను కదా, as I've already told you yesterday, I don't record the videos. I don't have the recordings on my machine also. They have it stored in the cloud environment because roughly you will get some 50 to 60 videos for the entire course. So storing them on my machine is not possible. So I don't store the videos. I don't have access to the videos also, to be honest. So better check with the admin team. Uh, I believe there is. I mean, they have some update on it. They'll let you know about it. They'll not send the video separately to you. I guess they'll give you access to the entire video portal. So from there you can actually start looking into the videos and download it also. I guess I'm not sure about it because I don't have access to it. I don't even know about it also. Yeah, maybe they'll be able to help you out about that part. ఎందుకంటే నాకైతే ఏం తెలియదు దాని గురించి. All right, we are still waiting for people. There 60. Okay, cool. Cool. We can start with all right. Cool. So I'll give access to one of you. You can share your screen and you can actually we can create Jira accounts today and also GitHub accounts. All right, so that you guys can actually start working on that. So Anusha, but you have Mac, so let's not give access to Anusha. Anusha, were you able to find out the installation part? You were struggling with it because yours was Mac. So did you find out any solution on the internet? Okay. Bhuvana, will you be able to share your screen? Bhuvana, will you be able to share your screen? Okay, Anusha, good to know. Anusha, will you be able to share your screen? All right. Let me give you access. Arey yaar, I am the co-host. I don't have access also. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute, guys. I need host access. Just hold on a minute. All right. Now the host. So Ashwini, sorry, not Ashwini, Anusha. Yeah, Anusha, you are given the access. You can share your screen. Okay. Open your Google Chrome. All right. Yes, Amamira. So I'll give you a link. Open that link. I'll be giving you guys a link. Open that link from your machines. Okay. So for everyone in the meeting, I have sent you guys a link in the chat box. Open that particular link. Sent you guys a link in the chat box. Open that link. Okay. So everyone, open the link I have shared with you in the chat box. Be ready with this screen. I need confirmation from you guys. If you're not responding, I will consider that you are all good. Everyone. And one more thing, guys. I understand that you guys are enthusiastic, but hold on. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. I understand that most of you are, some of you are, some of you might be excited a little bit. Hold your horses. Not everyone is as fast as you guys are. We must give chances to everyone. So hold on. Hold on. I understand by looking at the chat, I understand that some of you are hyper active, but you will be the last person who I will consider. So you can be hyperactive in the session because I'm not going to consider your response because you already know it. So there is no point in considering your response. So I will be considering the responses of those people who are not responding at all. All right. I'll be waiting for responses from those people who are not responding. I'll never look at your responses if you're always responding. All right. So hold on. Not everyone will be as quick as you are. So may have to wait. All right. So everyone open this particular link. So I believe everyone is on this link. So if you have your Google account, click on continue with Google account. Or if you want to continue with some other account, you can type your email address. No problem. Okay. If you click on hold on, Anusha, don't click on anything. If you continue with your Google account, this is what you will be getting. So this will be the only time I'm going to explain you about Jira account creation. Okay. This is the only time I'm going to explain about the Jira account creation. So if you are not able to do it, if you're not able to do it, and we might not be able to find another session. You may not be having another chance to do it again. So I would request you guys to do it along with us in the session. Okay, because you might not have another session to do it. So don't take any chances. Follow whatever is being explained in the class, in the session. So everybody, did you reach till this point? Everyone? कुछ नहीं, मैंने जो लिंक दिया है वो लिंक पे प्रेस करो, बस उतना ही है. जो लिंक मैंने दिया है उस लिंक पे प्रेस कीजिएगा बस. The rest of it will be taken care in the session. రాము నీకు ఎందుకు అనిపిస్తుంది నేను అంత పెద్ద మెసేజ్ మొత్తం నీకు వచ్చింది చదువుతా అని చెప్పి అని? నీకు ఎందుకు అనిపిస్తుంది అంత పెద్ద మెసేజ్ చదువుతా అని చెప్పి అని? నీకు ఏ మెసేజ్ వస్తే ఏంది చెప్పు? Are you able to look into this screen or not? If you are having any issue, send me the screenshot. అంత పెద్ద మెసేజ్ పెడితే నేను ఏమనుకోవాలి కదా? I'm not going to look into the entire history, the entire message. I don't even need that. You are able to log in or not, you are able to reach till this point or not. This is what I want. That's it. If you're able to see whatever I am seeing this, right? Supriya, relax. You're already done. Relax. So, గదంతా భాగవతం నాకు ఎందుకు చెప్పు? వస్తే వచ్చింది అంతే, రాకపోతే రాలే. రాకపోతే ఎందుకు రాలేదో చెప్పండి నాకు, అంతే సరిపోతుంది. If you're not getting it, tell me why you're not getting it. If you are getting it, relax. Just tell me yes, you've got it. That's enough. That's enough. Devesh, relax. You're already done. So Priya, you're already done. Relax. You did not do whatever we are saying now. I'll tell you when to do. I'll tell you what to do next. Hold on. Devesh and Supriya, I'll tell you what to do once we reach that point. Okay. I hope everyone has reached till this point. So now click on create your account. And Anusha, Rose Miga is saying access nano. Every day you should only share the screen. So ready go unandi meer Rose. Whenever it's required, I'll be giving you access. You should share your screen. So migdal kante meeku ichestanu. So mere every day you only share your screen. Okay. So this is what you will be getting. After you click on create account, this is what you will get. So I hope everyone has reached till this point after clicking on create account. Everybody, I hope everybody has reached till this point. Okay, I hope everyone has reached till this point. If you have not, let me know. Take a minute. If you have not reached till this point, let me know. Okay. So next, left side bottom, you should see Jira software. Left side bottom, you should see Jira software. Try Jira software. That is what you should see at the left hand side bottom. ఒక్క నిమిషం తల్లి, ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఫాస్ట్ గా క్లిక్ చేయకండి, ఒక్క నిమిషం. మన వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం అది చూపించాలి. సారీ. So left hand side bottom, everyone should be able to see Jira software. Everyone should be able to see Jira software. Try Jira software. So if you are able to see try Jira software, click on it. Click on it. So if you click on try Jira software, this is what you should get. Get it free. Right side top low, you should see get it free. Don't click. Don't click. Hold on. You should see this particular option at the right hand side top. I hope everyone is able to see it. Okay. So Afrin, then you should provide your account. You should provide your account. Obviously, Afrin, if it is asking you for your mail ID, you should provide your mail ID. That is why I've asked you to log in with your Google. That is why I've asked you to log in with your Google account. तो आपका जो कुछ भी Gmail account है उसके साथ लॉग इन कर दीजिएगा, हो जाएगा आपको. Screenshots will be helpful because if you're not getting it, I will not be able to understand what you're not getting, what your problem is. So either send the screenshot here or send the screenshot on your Slack group. Only then I will be able to help you out. If you're not sending me the screenshots, I cannot help you out. Friend, click on try Jira software, left side bottom. Acha, this looks like a different account. Maybe Supriya, better you create another account. Better maybe you create another account because ये आपका company का account है या previously did you work on this particular Jira? Previously did you use this email ID for Jira or maybe this is already used, so that is why you are getting it like this. You're not getting these options, so maybe if you're not getting all the options which Anusha has on her screen, maybe you already have it. Maybe you already have a Jira account. So try to access that Jira account. However, I mean, you must have used it already, right? So if you already have an account, try to open that account or else create using a new account. That's the only option. ఇంకా అంత దూరం చెప్పనే చెప్పలేదు. ఎందుకు తొందర ఎందుకు this is all very simple topic. Clicking on OK, clicking on yes, but still some people might need assistance. So hold on. Why are you in a hurry? Hold on. All right. So I hope after clicking on try Jira account, you are getting this screen. So after you get this screen, right side top, you will find get it free. Click on get it free. Right side top, you should see get it free. Click on get it free. See guys, if these are not the exact screens you are getting, maybe you already have a Jira account. Maybe you already have an Atlassian account, a Jira account already. So that may be the reason you are not getting it. That may be the reason why you're not getting the exact same. Okay. That may be the reason you're not getting the exact screens. Okay, so check it out. Check it out if you already have Jira accounts. All right. If you're already having Jira accounts, then maybe it's not possible for you to do it on the same Jira account. Use another email account, because how will you log in into Jira? You will log into Jira with your email address. So if you are using one Gmail address, use some other Gmail address to log in into Jira. Okay. So unpissavi, no Jira account. You must have used it some or the other place. Must have used it unknowingly. Your friend might have used it. Someone might have used it. So that's the only explanation I can give you. Because if you are using this for the first time, or if it is the first time for your mail address, this is how it will be. This is how it will be if you are using it for the first time. If you are not using this for the first time, you will not get all of these screens. But first of all, I need to see your screenshot to understand what your problem is. Unless I see your screenshot, I cannot understand what it is. All right. So next, if you are able to reach till this point, okay, at the bottom right side, you will have an option called as next, no credit card required. Next, no credit card required. So is everyone getting this? Is everyone getting this? Just like the one Anusha has on her screen. I hope everyone's getting this. So if you're getting it, click on next. Click on next, and this is how it should look like. This is what you should get. రాము నువ్వు అంటే సరిపోదు, నాకు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ వస్తే గానీ నేనేం చెప్పలేను. నాకు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ లేనిది మీ సైడ్ ఇష్యూ ఏందో నేనైతే ఏమీ చెప్పలేను నేను. అన్లెస్ ఐ గెట్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్, ఐ రియలీ కాంట్ హెల్ప్ యూ అవుట్. If you have sent me a screenshot, let me know, because I did not receive any screenshot from your side. Okay, so everyone, I hope everyone has reached till this point. In the your site input field, okay, your site field, you must type the name of your Jira site. So don't give any special characters like @ exclamation, question mark, and all of that stuff. Use your name, use your date of birth, use hyphen, that is minus symbol, and type whatever site name you want to type. Name, numbers, hyphen. Okay, if you type it correctly, then you should get a green color tick mark like this. You should type it in such a way that that particular name must not have been used anywhere else by anyone else. Okay, so if you type it correctly, if it has not been used anywhere, you will get a green color tick mark like this. Green color tick mark like this. I hope everyone has got that green color tick mark. If you have not received that green color tick mark, what you should do is try changing the combination of your name and date of birth, name and your month, or name and your lucky number, whatever that you want to type. If you type it incorrectly, it will say it has already been taken, like this red color on the screen. If you type it, if you change the combination, at certain combination, you will get that, this particular thing exists. So try all those combinations. Once you get the green color tick mark, stop at that particular combination. రాము స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపివ్వండి. స్లాక్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను కదా నిన్న, స్లాక్ లో స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపించండి. Afrin, she has already sent the screenshot. Supriya, she has sent the screenshot. Gupta, he has sent the screenshot. స్క్రీన్షాట్ పంపించండి, నేను చెప్తా ప్రాబ్లం ఏందనేది. ఒకవేళ అర్థం కాకపోతే అప్పుడు నేను మీకు స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఇస్తా. కంగారు అడగండి, ప్లానింగ్ అయితే పనులు అవ్వవు. కామ్ గా కూల్ గా కంపోజ్ గా ఉండండి, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపించండి, పనులు అవుతాయి. కంగారు ఏమీ లేదు. కావాలంటే ఆప్తా సెషన్, బట్ ఫాలో ది ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్, సెండ్ మీ ది స్క్రీన్ షాట్. మళ్ళీ మేమేమి ఎగ్జిబిషన్ లో వదిలేసి వెళ్ళిపోతలేము, కంగారు పడకండి, మీరేం తప్పిపోరు, నేను ఉన్నా ఇక్కడ. ఎవ్రీబడి సెండింగ్ దేర్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఇన్ ది చాట్ బాక్స్. మీరు కూడా చాట్ బాక్స్ లా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ పంపించండి. ఫాస్ట్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఇంతసేపు కాదు, ఫాస్ట్ గా పంపించాలి స్క్రీన్ షాట్. స్లాక్ లైనా పంపించచ్చు మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్, ఇక్కడ ఒకవేళ వస్తలేదంటే స్లాక్ లో కూడా పంపించచ్చు. కెన్ సెండ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ స్లాక్ ఆల్సో. ఇఫ్ యూర్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు సెండ్ ఇట్ హియర్, సెండ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ స్లాక్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. బట్ అల్టిమేట్లీ ఐ నీడ్ a screenshot to help you out. Again, before you guys ask me anything, I want you guys to come up with the screenshots. See, someone has said, I'm not able to log in. What should I understand from that message? Even I am a human being. I'll not be able to understand all of your details, right? To understand your problem, I need a screenshot. Now I can't go on giving everyone screen sharing access because it's going to take forever. There are 70 people in the session. So it's not possible to give screen sharing access for all of you, right? So you should come up with your screenshots first. Come up with your screenshots, post your screenshots in the chat box in Slack group. I'll answer your queries. So simply you put your message. I'll not understand anything. What do you think I can understand with your message? Unless I see the issue, unless I see the code, unless I see the error, I'll not be able to help you out with anything. I need to see the code. I need to see the error. If you're writing a program, you're not getting the program. I need to see what your program is, where you have written the mistake. Where is that mistake? Unless you give me the screenshot, I will not understand. How can I even imagine what you have written? How can I even imagine what your problem is? So unless you send me a screenshot, I cannot really help you out. This is for everyone. Make it a habit to take screenshots. Because as a tester, you will need to take a lot of screenshots. Taking screenshots is your unofficial job as a tester. As a tester, your unofficial job is to take screenshots. So, sending me those screenshots. So without them, I will not be able to help you out. Sai, ఇంతసేపు అయింది, 2 నిమిషాలు అయింది నేను మొత్తుకోబట్టి, ఇంతవరకు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ రెడీగా లేదు. ఏమైంది? ఒక మనుష, ఆమె అయితే 10 నిమిషాల నుంచి అక్కడనే వెయిట్ చేస్తుంది. ఆమె ఏమైంది? స్క్రీన్ షాట్లు రాకపోతే ఏమనుకోవాలి నేను? Unless I get screenshots, I really can't help you out. Sentence square. Screenshots. Okay, network issue. You were able to log in. Very good. No problem. Happens sometimes. No problem. రాము, ఏమైంది? సౌండ్ లేదు, స్క్రీన్ షాట్ లేదు, ఏమైంది? ఏమనుకోవాలి నేను? ఇష్యూ రిజాల్వ్ అనుకోవాలా? ఆర్ షుడ్ ఐ వెయిట్ ఫర్ యూ? వాట్ షుడ్ ఐ కన్సిడర్? స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కూడా వస్తలేదా? నాట్ గెటింగ్. ఓకే ఫైన్, ఐ అండర్స్టాండ్ దట్ యూఆర్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ ఇట్. రిలాక్స్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కూడా వస్తలేదా? నేను అనేది అది. స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కూడా వస్తలేదా? స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కూడా వస్తలేదా? Okay, ఒక్క నిమిషం Gupta, I'll be giving you the screen share. I'll give you the screen share. ఒక్కసారి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఎట్లా తీయాలో చూపించండి ఒక్కసారి. మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఎట్లా తీస్తారో చూద్దాం. Manusha, stop sharing your screen. Gupta, brother, I have given you access. Can you share your screen once, Gupta? Brother. ఓకే రాము, నీకు కూడా యాక్సెస్ ఉంది, నువ్వు కూడా షేర్ చేయి, చూద్దాం ఏమైతుందో. అంత ఇష్యూ ఏమైతుందో చూద్దాం ఇక్కడ. అసలు ల్యాప్టాప్ ప్రాబ్లమా ఏంటి ప్రాబ్లం? లెట్స్ సీ వాట్ ది ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్. షేర్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్. ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ యూ యాక్సెస్. షేర్ ది స్క్రీన్. గుప్తా హోల్డ్ ఆన్, నో ప్రాబ్లం, హోల్డ్ ఆన్. రాము షేర్ చేస్తారంట, హోల్డ్ ఆన్, లెట్ రాము షేర్. రాము చేయండి. రాము చేయండి, ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. షేర్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్, లెట్స్ ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ యువర్ ఇష్యూ ఇస్. అనుష, తప్పదు కదమ్మా, మరి ఏం చేయాలి? తప్పదు. This is how it will be. So get used to it. You will get used to it eventually. This is how I teach. So కొంచెం టైం పడుతుంది. Your initial days, you will have to struggle. This will be boring in the initial days because this is how it will be. I can understand. No problem. I can understand. That's all right. So for those who are feeling bored, how to share అంటే కాదు, నేను ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి? How can I tell you? అది పాసిబుల్ కాదు. మేబీ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ యూ స్క్రీన్ షాట్, యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్. మరి అది చెప్పాలి అంటే వన్స్ ఐ షేర్ మై స్క్రీన్, ఐ డోంట్ గెట్ దట్ ఆప్షన్. సో నేను ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయడం మొదలు పెడితే నాకు షేర్ ఆప్షన్ రాదు నాకు. సో సెండింగ్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ టు యూ ఇన్ ది చాట్ బాక్స్. సో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకో. యూ షుడ్ సీ దిస్ బటన్. ఆ బటన్ ని కూడా నేను హైలైట్ చేస్తున్నా. Not sure if you have ever shared your screen, but ఒకవేళ స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ తెలియకపోతే ఇట్లా ఉంటుంది స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ అనేది. This is how your screen sharing will look like. Okay, నేను ఆ ఇమేజ్, I'm sending that image to you in the chat box. Those who don't know how to share their screen, this is how they should share their screen. This is the button that you should press. All right. ఇక గుప్తా, ఇక అన్ని షార్ట్ కట్లు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలంటే అందరితో అవుతుందా? Not everyone can remember those screenshots. అన్ని స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఎట్లా గుర్తుంటే చెప్పు అందరికి. Control-C, Control-V కూడా కష్టమే మనకు కొన్ని సార్లు. సో లెట్స్ నాట్ డిస్కస్ స్క్రీన్ షార్ట్ కట్స్. కమ్ ఆన్, ఫాస్ట్. రాము స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయాలా ఫాస్ట్ గా, టైం లేదు మనకి. We do not have enough time. వాళ్ళ క్లోజ్ చేయాలి ఎట్టి పరిస్థితుల్లో. ఇది should close this and we should also create our accounts on GitHub. That should be our target for today. ఏమైంది రాము? యాక్సెస్ ఉంది మీకు, షేర్ చేయాలా స్క్రీన్? రాము మీరు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయాలా? అరే మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పిన కదా, నేను గూగుల్ అకౌంట్ ఉంటే టైప్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, డైరెక్ట్ గా క్లిక్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది అని చెప్పి. అని మళ్ళీ ఇదంతా ఎందుకు? ఇదంతా అవసరమే లేదు. సరే, గో టు యువర్ జీమెయిల్, ఓపెన్ యువర్ జీమెయిల్. ఇదంతా డబుల్ ప్రాసెస్ కాదా ఇప్పుడు? ఇదంతా డబుల్ ప్రాసెస్, అన్నెసరీ ప్రాసెస్ ఇదంతా. ఓపెన్ యువర్ జీమెయిల్. Once again, you are only sharing this particular screen. You are not sharing your entire screen. So నాకు ఇది ఒక్కటే కనిపిస్తుంది మీ స్క్రీన్ మీద, నాకు మిగతాది మొత్తం కనబడదు. You are only sharing this part of your screen. The rest of the part I cannot see it. So screen share చేసినప్పుడు share the entire screen option ఉంటుంది మీకు. Click on share entire screen so that I can understand what is happening on your machine. మీరు ఒక్క స్క్రీనే షేర్ చేస్తే నాకు ఇది ఒక్కటే కనిపిస్తుంది. Whatever you work, I won't be able to see other than this particular screen. సో నాకు అర్థం కాదు ఇక మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు అనేది. ఏమైంది? స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఆపేసారు కదా, మళ్ళీ ఏమైంది? వస్తలేరా? కంటిన్యూ చేయాలా వద్దా? ఏమైంది చెప్పాలి, ఏదో రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలి, మిగతా వాళ్ళకి కూడా లేట్ అవుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు ఇది? ఆల్రెడీ ఎంటర్ చేసేసారు కదా ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్. గో టు యువర్ జీమెయిల్ ఐడి. గో టు యువర్ జీమెయిల్. గో టు యువర్ జీమెయిల్. ఇక్కడ కాదు, జీమెయిల్ 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 మెయిల్ బాక్స్. జీమెయిల్ ఇన్బాక్స్ కి పోవాలా, ఇక్కడ కాదు. జీమెయిల్ ఇన్బాక్స్ పక్కన ట్యాబ్ ఉంది చూడండి, పక్కన లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో ట్యాబ్ ఉందా? లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో ట్యాబ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో పైన, మొత్తం పైన. ఇగో ఇన్ని ట్యాబ్లు ఓపెన్ చేసి కూర్చున్నారు మీరు. ఇన్ని ట్యాబ్లు ఓపెన్ చేసి కూర్చున్నారు మొత్తం పైన. అరే మళ్ళీ ఇడికెళ్ళి వస్తారా ఇప్పుడు? అట్లా అగో 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 ఒక్క నిమిషం. హోల్డ్ ఆన్. థర్డ్ ఈమెయిల్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. చెక్ యూర్ థర్డ్ ఈమెయిల్. అట్లాషన్ అని ఉందా? ఓపెన్ చేయండి అది. కిందికి రండి. వెరిఫై యువర్ ఈమెయిల్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి. యూజర్ నేమ్ పాస్వర్డ్ టైప్ చేయండి ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ. సైన్ అప్. Select all the cars. ఇంకేంది నెక్స్ట్? ట్రై జీరా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ బాటమ్ లో. ట్రై జీరా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ బాటమ్ లో ఉందిగా, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ బాటమ్ లో. క్లిక్ 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 చేయండి, దాని మీద ఐకాన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఐకాన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి. ట్రై జీరా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ క్లిక్. మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ ఉండాలి. ఇట్లా ఉంటే అయితే చాలా కష్టం. ల్యాప్టాప్ స్లో ఉంది మీది బాగా. మీరు ఏదైనా ఒక వేరే ఆల్టర్నేట్ ఒకటి చూసుకోండి. స్లో ఉంటే కష్టం కొంచెం. సో రైట్ సైడ్ టాప్ లో గెట్ ఇట్ ఫ్రీ. కిందికి రా, మొత్తం కిందికి రా, మొత్తం కిందికి రా, మొత్తం కిందికి రా బ్రో. నెక్స్ట్ ఆపేసేయి, ఇక్కడనే ఉన్నారు అందరు. టైప్ చేయి, నీ సైట్ పేరింగ్ కావాలో అది టైప్ చేసుకో. అందరు ఇక్కడనే ఉన్నారు, ఇక్కడనే అయిపోయారు అందరు. స్క్రీన్ షేరింగ్ ఆపేసేయి. ఓకే, సో అనుష షేర్ చేయండి అమ్మా స్క్రీన్. Okay, I hope you guys have all typed your site address like this. So everyone has typed it, and everyone, I believe, is getting the green color tick mark. Okay, so if so, if you are getting it, in case you're not getting it, change your combination. Type your name, date of birth, year, whatever nickname you want, whatever you want, but don't use any special characters like exclamation, at the rate, or all those symbols. Okay, so try whatever combinations you want. And next, once you get the green color tick mark, yes, Gajendra, correct. Yes, you're right, but we can't do anything. Adjust, ante, adjust. So once you are done, click on agree. Click on agree. Click on agree. Under half an hour nunchi ikkane unnaru andaru. So click on agree. By this time, you should all be able to do this. Okay, everyone, after clicking on agree, you should get some screen like this. Everyone should be able to see this sort of a screen. Okay, you can click on skip question at the right side bottom. Right side bottom, you will see skip question. You can click on that. Okay, again you can skip question, no problem. Okay, again you can click on skip question. Skip ante. 3 times I guess you will get skip. 3 times I guess you will get skip. All the times you can click on skip, no problem. You don't need to fill all these details. That's all right. Guys, see, now after doing that, you should get something like this, and this is how your Jira should look like. More or less, this is what you will get. Relax. More or less, everyone will be getting like this only. So don't worry. Don't worry. Just some people will take some time to reach till this point. Not everyone's internet might be this fast. So for some people, it will take some time. Don't worry. Don't worry. That's all right. Okay. Next, the next thing that you should do is you can select what is your agile methodology. Which agile methodology did we learn yesterday? Which agile methodology did we learn yesterday? Scrum, exactly. So you can select Scrum. You can select Scrum from this screen. Your project type should be Scrum. Okay, so everyone, one more request from most of you guys. So everyone, not most of you, everyone, one request from you guys. If you're having any issue, first thing is you should know how to take a screenshot. As I've already told you, you must have the basic computer knowledge. Not asking you for any programming knowledge. I'm asking you to have basic computer knowledge. All right, basic computer knowledge, you must have it. I understand that some of these are very much new to you, so that is why I'll help you guys with the new stuff. Don't worry. But whenever you have any issue, you should be ready to share your screen just like this. Whenever you have any issue, you should be able to share your screen just like this. You are doing it from your mobile. This problem tali itla cheste ikkada nunchi. Mobile నుంచి చేస్తే it's not guaranteed that exact same thing will be replicated on your mobile. నేను అదే చెప్పినా కదా నిన్న. Mobile లో if you are doing it from your mobile, I cannot guarantee that the exact thing will reflect on your mobile. Maybe, maybe not. So అక్కడ ఏం చేస్తావు నువ్వు అంటే అక్కడ type your project name. Type your project name and click on next. అంతకంటే అయితే ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి do this thing. But better not to do this from your mobile phone because it will be very, very confusing for you. Okay. So adjust అవుతా అంటే ప్రాజెక్ట్ పేరు స్క్రమ్ అనకండి. It's all right if you even can give the project name as Scrum, that is okay, Chandana, no problem. But give something else, kada. Give something else. Project type is Scrum. Project name is not Scrum. Okay. So try to do it from desktop or laptop. Meeke better kada. Practice out. This is the sole purpose of doing this is to make sure you have enough practice so that you can be very familiar in your corporate environment. So mobile చేసే కంటే ల్యాప్టాప్ డెస్క్టాప్ మీద చేస్తే మీకే ప్రాక్టీస్ బాగా అవుతుంది. సో డూ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఆర్ డెస్క్టాప్, నాట్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ మొబైల్ ఫోన్. If you do not have that facility, do it, no problem. I'll try to help you out also, no problem. So everyone be ready to share your screen if I ask you to do. All right. Sometimes even screenshots might not be enough for me to understand. Maybe I am dumb. I understand that even I am dumb. Sometimes even I am also dumb. But if I ask you to share your screen, you should be ready to share your screen. Okay, unless you are ready to share your screen, okay, I may not be even able to help you out. Okay, so we are 70 people in the session roughly, so you should be ready to share your screen if I ask you to. If you have issue, I'm not able to understand it, to help a dumb person like me, you should share your screen. Okay, cool. Next, select your project type as Scrum. Everyone select your project type as Scrum and click on next. This is the screen that you should get. This is the screen you should be getting. This is the screen that you guys should all get. Okay, everyone. Name of your project. Type whatever name you want to give for your project. Whatever name. Don't ask me what name. నామకరణం నేను చేయలేను మీ ప్రాజెక్ట్ కి. I cannot do the naming ceremony for your project. Do whatever you want with your project name. Okay, everyone, did you type the name of your project like how Anusha has typed on our screen? All good? Not receiving any responses in the chat box, so I'll take your silence as a yes. I'll take your silence as a yes. It's all right even if you're silent, no problem. I'm not asking you to speak out. If you're silent, I'll think that you're all okay. You do not have any problem. I hope that's what it is. I'll take your silence as a yes in case you're not responding. So again, guys, don't come back again tomorrow or day after tomorrow saying that, I did not follow, I did not do it on Thursday. Please explain again. See, I'm not going to lose anything. I'll explain it. Just 10 minutes of stuff. I can explain it to you. But the problem is you will be wasting the time of others in the session also. So please be aware that it's precious for all of us. This time is precious for all of us. So make sure you are not wasting all the other time in the session. Okay. So if you're not getting it, tell me now here itself. We'll close it today only. But after tomorrow, after today, don't come back tomorrow and tell me I'm not getting this. Not acceptable, guys. I understand that you might not have understood it, but it's your responsibility to tell me in the session only, during the session only. Okay. So don't tell me tomorrow saying that, I did not get it. I did not understand this. That's not fair to spoil the other people's time. Okay. So let's not waste all others' time. Gokul, ఏమైంది? అదే కరెక్టే కదా. నెక్స్ట్ నాకు select your scrum and click on next. Type any name of your choice, no problem. Type any name. Enjoy. Give whatever name you want. Obviously, Varsha, I'm giving access. That is why people have shared their screen. But keep in mind that giving access for everyone is not possible. Ramu, మళ్ళేమైంది ఇందాకనే కదా స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసింది. Screenshot పంపబ్బా ఏమైంది స్క్రీన్షాట్ పంపు ఏమైందో చూద్దాం స్క్రీన్షాట్ పంపు ఏమైందో స్క్రీన్షాట్ పంపండి నేను చెప్పలేను see direct గా స్క్రీన్ షేర్ not possible for everyone because 70 people in the session la అందరికి స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఇవ్వాలంటే not possible. I cannot give screen share for all of you, right? If by looking at the screenshot, if the issue is not resolvable, then I'll give you the screen share. Don't worry, I'm not saying I'll not give you screen share. By looking at the screenshot, if I cannot resolve it, I'll give you screen share directly. Don't worry. But if it can be resolved from your screenshot itself, don't worry, kada. Send your screenshot. I'll help you from the screenshot only. Ramu, my system slow undi. So meer koncham screenshot share cheyali. Lekapothe kashtam. I cannot really help you. Endukante even if I give you screen share, your system is very slow. Your system is very slow. So that will be a problem for everyone. So andike screen share cheyagandi, screenshot ivandi naku. ఇప్పుడు నేను మీకు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఇస్తా చాలా స్లో ఉంది మీ మెషిన్ యువర్ మెషిన్ ఇస్ వెరీ స్లో సో అందుకే అంటున్నా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఇవ్వగలితే ఇవ్వండి దట్స్ ది ఓన్లీ థింగ్ ఐ కెన్ టెల్ యూ ఓకే ఆఫ్టర్ యూ గైస్ హ్యావ్ టైప్డ్ యువర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ నేమ్ ఎట్ ది బాటమ్ యూ హ్యావ్ show more at the bottom, show more option at the bottom, expand your show more button. Your project type, you can see that you have something called as team managed. So instead of team managed, select company managed. Show more option. You will see show more option. So from the show more option, click on show more, and from your project type, select company managed, not team managed. If it is already on company managed, leave it like that. If it is on team managed, change it to company managed. That's it. Do not type anything in the key. Relax. You need not type anything in the key. That's all right. Need not type anything in your key. Rajendra, if I tell them that also, if I have to tell people even that thing also, I don't think this is the right session to be in. Be honest. This is not the right session where I explain people what is my computer, what is right click, what is left click, what is double click. I don't think this is that particular session. This is not a basics of computer session. This is a testing session. This is a testing class. Maybe that's not possible, to be really honest with you. And one more thing, let me explain you one more thing. Not many faculty will allow you to share your screen or even bring your laptop to even they'll not even allow you to bring your laptops to the session, to be honest, because they know this is what happens if they let you bring the laptops to the session. They know this is what happens. They know that this is what will happen if they'll let you bring laptops to the session. So that is why in most of the sessions, most of the faculty, they'll not allow you to bring the laptops. They'll simply ask you to note down the steps, and they'll ask you to do it at your home, on your laptops or on your desktops, whatever it is. I'm giving you a chance to bring your laptops. Does not mean that you bombard each and everything in the chat box. If you have a problem, ask me. I'll help you out. But let's not waste the time of all the others, because you are 70 people in the session. Screen sharing for 70 people is not possible. Looking into 70 people's screenshots is also not possible. So if you have a problem, send me a screenshot. If you do not have a problem, don't send me the screenshot. If you do not have a problem, don't write a lengthy message. Let's understand this basic protocol and move on. Because if you type too many messages, I'll have to go through all the messages. I'll have to understand what your problem is, and then I'll have to respond. Because I'm getting a lot of messages. What are those messages? Those messages are that done. Screenshot, done, screenshot, done, screenshot, yes, screenshot, yes, screenshot. Not needed. If you are done, done. Very good. No problem. If you are having a problem, only then send me a screenshot. If you are doing it correctly, no need of sending me a screenshot. I am getting literally hundreds of messages in the chat box. It is getting a little difficult for me also to read all those messages. I might be missing out on some of your messages also, to be honest, because I cannot read hundreds of messages at a time. I understand some of your problems are very genuine. I can address only if I get a little less number of messages. Because in those hundreds of messages, I might not be reading your message also. Your message might be lost, to be really honest with you. So give me a screenshot only if you have an issue. If you do not have an issue, don't send me screenshot. As simple as that. Let's agree on this basic protocol from now on. Okay. I understand that you are a little excited. Even as a student, even I will be excited if you ask me to bring a laptop to the session. That's completely understandable. So let's give chance for those people who are not able to do all of this. So don't send me a screenshot unnecessarily. Send me a screenshot only if you have a problem. Okay. So if you guys are done typing your project name, selecting your project type as company managed, you can simply click on create project. Everybody should be able to reach till this point. I hope everyone is able to reach till this point. Now you can say yes or no. No. After typing your project name, after selecting the project type to company managed, not team managed, it should be company managed. It should not be team managed, it should company managed. If it's a company managed project, then you can click on next or create project, whatever button is available to you, the blue color button. Okay. You can click on skip. Skip. You can skip all of this part, no problem. And this is how your project dashboard should look like. This is what is the dashboard of your project will look like. This is how it will look. This is how your project dashboard should look. What is the indication? What is the indication means at the left hand side, you should see active sprints option. Manusha ఒకసారి 4 options చూపితల్లి ఒకసారి. Roadmap, backlog, active sprints, reports. These 4 options should be visible to you. If these 4 options are visible to you, it means that you have followed my instructions correctly. If not, you did not follow my instructions correctly. As simple as that. If you are seeing all these 4 options, it means that you have followed my instructions correctly. If not, simple, straightforward, simple, you did not follow the process. So how many of you are not getting all these 4 options? Roadmap, backlog, active sprints, and reports. How many of you are not getting these 4 options? Let's take a minute and tell me how many of you are not getting these 4 options. How many of you are not getting these 4 options? Again, as I'm telling you, tomorrow don't come and tell me, don't come and ask me saying that, I'm not getting this option, I'm not getting that option. Yeah, Rajesh, that's fine. Instead of roadmap, if you are getting timeline also, no problem, fine. The important thing is you should see backlog and active sprints. Those 2 are very important. The backlog and active sprints, those 2 are very important. If you're able to see these 2 options at least, fine, no problem. Yes, Gajendra, yes. Create and then skip. 2 times you should press skip, then you will reach this point. If you are getting more times skip, then no problem. Skip everything. You will reach till this point. So if everyone was able to reach till this point, bookmark this particular link. This is your project ka link. Bookmark this particular link. Bookmark. Everyone bookmark this link. Everyone bookmark this particular link. Everyone bookmark this particular link. సింపుల్ అమ్మా అనుష కాదు ఎవరిమే చందన సరిగ్గా చేయలేదు ఫోన్ లో వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు అనుకుంటా మీకు ఆప్షన్స్ రావట్లేదు అనుకుంటా ఫోన్ లో మీకు what you have done is not correct maybe, so better check it on desktop or laptop. So everyone bookmark this particular link. Tomorrow, when we start Jira, you should be directly able to open this particular project related board. Better amma, Chandana, better option. Durga, note down the points, take the recording, do it at your home. I mean, once you get your laptop, do it, no problem. Recording, you already have the recording, so don't worry. Take that recording, do the rest of the thing in your laptop for following the recording, no problem. Whatever your comfort is, but don't say, I was not able to do it. Okay? Try it, no problem. You do whatever you want, no problem. But ultimately, you should follow whatever I'm saying in the class. That is the important part. So bookmark, everyone bookmark. Done? Bookmarking done, everyone? Bookmarking done, everyone? Bookmarking? Maya, done. This is how you create your Jira account. This is how you create your Jira account. Very simple thing, but it took a lot of time for us. That's all right. No problem. Happens. The initial days are always troubling. You will take some time. It always takes some time. That's understandable. No problem. But the important thing is you should keep on trying. You should not panic. You should not, I'm not getting, I'm not getting. Don't do this. You're not kids anymore. You're not kids anymore. Pick it up. Handle it for yourself. Send me a screenshot. I'll help you out. Not getting it. No, that's not how you do it. Okay. So tell me if you have any issues. So I guess we can even start GitHub account creation, but I believe that will be too much for today. Some of you, I mean, it will get late for some of you. It will easily take another 45 minutes for sure. Pakka. 45 minutes vartadi. Pakka. Pakka, it will take another 45 minutes. So are we good to continue for another 45 minutes or 1 hour, or shall we stop here? Shall we start freshly tomorrow? Continue. అనుష మీరు చెప్తారు తల్లి ఏముంది మీకు పొద్దున్నే కదా అక్కడ మాకు ఇక్కడ రాత్రి మీరు చెప్తారు తల్లి కంటిన్యూ చేయమని సంతోషిని ఈవెన్ ఫర్ యూ ఆల్సో ఇట్స్ ఈవినింగ్ ఐ బిలీవ్ ఇన్ యూకే ఐ గెస్ సంతోషిని యూ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ యూకే సో ఈవెన్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లం ఫర్ యూ ఆల్సో సంతోషిని it's not a problem. Anusha is also not a problem because it's not even evening for you, I believe. So I will not accept yes from you guys. So it's too early for you guys. So I'll not accept any yes from you guys. I'll take the response from the guys present in India. So the India guys, tell me, do you want to continue or do you want to continue tomorrow? What is it that you want? Anusha, where are you from? Ekkadamma meeru? USA? Okay. So obviously it's only 11:40. You must have just had your breakfast now. We didn't even have our dinner. So maybe majority of the answers I see are tomorrow only. So only 4-5 people are saying Avadut continue karo. Gajendra continue. Santoshni continue. Lakshmi continue. Anusha also continue. Only 5 people are saying continue. The rest of them are tomorrow. So till here, if you guys are having any issues, let me know. Till this point, if you are having any issues, let me know. Forget about the GitHub account creation. I will not be explaining it today. I know most of you are exhausted. By the very Jira account creation itself. I believe most of you are exhausted. I can understand. Even I was a student when I was learning, so I can understand. You guys are exhausted. I know that. Anusha is not exhausted because it's the starting of the day for her. So let's not consider Anusha's opinion. Okay. So, any doubts, guys? Any doubts regarding the Jira account creation? If anyone was not able to do it, tell me. Tell me if anyone was not able to do it. Jaldi. Jaldi. Thank you. Jaldi. If anyone is not able to do it, let's go and have our dinner, guys. It's already late. It's 10:15. Let's go and have dinner. Come on, fast. Tell me if you are having any issues. I can sit for another 15-20 minutes and solve your issues. Come on, fast. खाना खाने का है भाई, जल्दी बताओ कुछ है तो. बस 7 बजे से हूँ मैं भी. बताओ जल्दी जल्दी. हाँ, too hungry, exactly. Look at them not responding. चलो भाई लोग बहन लोग बताओ जल्दी जल्दी क्या है, कुछ इश्यू है. Is this okay? I'm getting timeline in place of roadmap. No problem, Dinisha. The only thing that you should worry about is backlog and active sprints. Amma Anusha ఒకసారి left hand side లో చూపించండి తల్లి ఒకసారి. You should see backlog and active sprints at the left hand side. ఇందులోనే తల్లి ఇందులోనే left hand side లో active sprints backlog ఈ రెండు. అదే అక్కడే అదే. Very good. So if you are able to see these two options, very good. You have followed the process correctly, because we are doing a Scrum company managed project. Okay, we are not doing a team managed project or anything else. We are doing a company managed project. So obviously you should be getting all of these options. Okay, so unless you get these options, backlog or active sprints, these are the two important options that you need. If you are getting it, fine. Instead of roadmap, if you are getting timeline, no problem. That's all right. Because the roadmap or a timeline part is the headache of the Scrum Master, not our headache as testers. So let's not worry about it. Let's not worry about the roadmap or a timeline part. Don't worry. The only thing you should worry is backlog and active sprints. So, Chapandi, till here, if anyone did not get it, everyone's concentration should be only on two things: backlog and active sprints. These two should be your concentration point. If you're not getting it, let me know. If you are getting it, relax. You can leave the session. Tali Anusha, meeru kuda vellipochu. Kavalanukunte. You can also leave. You can stop sharing your screen. You can leave. I'll be there for the next 15 minutes. If you have anything else, let me know. Anything related to Jira. One more important thing, check your Google Classroom access. Check your Google Classroom access. Everyone check your Google Classroom access without fail. Everyone join the Slack group without fail. Slack is one place where you can reach out to me even after the class also. If I am not sleeping, because it's already 10:15, I'll be sleeping in the next half an hour. If I'm not ending it for the day, if I'm alive, if I'm active, if I'm awake, I'm not working, I'll definitely answer your questions. You need not worry. All right. So for those who are outside India, if you are messaging me in the time when I am sleeping, if it's my night and if it's a morning, so hold on till I wake up in the morning. I'll answer your questions. Okay. So better be connected on Slack, everyone, so that you can reach out to me even after the class. Exactly. So నేను ఆ టైంలో ఉండకపోవచ్చు. I may not be. I will be packing up in the next 15-20 minutes. I'll go to sleep in the next 15-20 minutes. So I might not be available for you after half an hour roughly. So if I'm not available on Slack, understand that there is something happening at my end. I might not be active on Slack. I might be sleeping, or I'm in my office working. So don't panic if you are getting a late response from my side. I'll definitely respond. If I don't respond, I'll respond immediately in the session itself directly. You can share your screen directly in the session. You can ask me your query. Don't worry. That shouldn't worry you. Ravi, which one I have to select? Which one will you select? Anything you can select. No problem. Next. That's it. Don't worry. ఏమన్నా అయితే మనం చూసుకుందాం. ఏం కాదు, అయ్యేది ఏం కాదు. ఏమన్నా అయితే నేను ఉన్నాగా, నేను చూసుకుంటాను. ఓకే, I'll be there for the next 15-20 minutes. If you still have anything, let me know. రామన్న చెప్పు, ఏమైంది? Yes, Bhuvana, you can leave. If you have nothing else, you can leave. No problem. No point in waiting. You're not going to learn anything new, so you can leave for the day. No problem. చందన, మీరు ఆల్రెడీ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నారు. యూ ఆల్రెడీ క్రియేటెడ్ ది అకౌంట్. సో బెటర్ లాగిన్, అంతే. బెటర్ లాగిన్ అండ్ క్రియేట్ యువర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఆర్ ఇఫ్ పాసిబుల్ డూ అండ్ టేక్ అ న్యూ ఈమెయిల్ అకౌంట్ కదా, అయిపోతుంది. టేక్ అ న్యూ ఈమెయిల్ అకౌంట్. ఓ వేరే వాళ్ళ ఈమెయిల్. రవి ఇన్స్టాల్డ్ ప్రాపర్లీ, డన్. యువర్ ఇన్స్టలేషన్ ఇస్ డన్. బెటర్ వేరే వాళ్ళ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి తీసుకోండి, అయిపోతుంది కదా. ఎందుకు హెడేక్ మళ్ళీ? If you're already done, you can leave. If you're already done, you can leave. No problem. You don't need my permission. I'm not going to explain anything new. You can leave without any problem. Don't worry. Good night, everyone. Good night. I'll still be there for the next 5 to 10 minutes. So if you have anything, let me know. Let me know. I'm still available. Don't worry. ఏమైంది రాము? ఏంది పంచాయతీ? ఏంది? స్క్రీన్ షేర్ ఇస్తా. ఏంది అసలు పంచాయతీ? ఏంది చూద్దాం. ఇస్తున్నా. హోల్డ్ ఆన్. స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయి. ముచ్చటేందో చూద్దాం. చెప్పు, ఏంది ముచ్చట? ఏం చెప్పు. షేర్ చేయి, స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయి. ఏమైంది ఇప్పుడు? You can, Gajendra, you can see me in Slack. You will find me on Slack. You can message me directly on Slack. The QA guy 01. The QA guy 01 is my name on Slack. You can reach out to me. You can message me on Slack. No problem. అవునా అనుష, మీకు పెట్టాల్సిన మెసేజ్ నాకు పెట్టాల్సిన మెసేజ్ మీకు పెట్టిండు. ఏమైంది రాము? అంత బానే ఉందిగా, మళ్ళీ ఏమైంది? అంత బానే ఉందిగా, ఏమైంది? ప్రాబ్లం ఏంది? ఎందుకు స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసినామని అయిందా? నాకు అర్థం కాలే ఏమైందో, అందుకే అడుగుతున్నా. ఓకే అబ్బా, ఇంకేం కావాలి? అంటే ఇంకేముండదు. ఇంకేముండదు అంతా ఓకే. ఇంకా ఎవరన్నా do any one of you have any issues? ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అనుష, ఇది ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ లో ఏ కదా, సో అందుకే ఫస్ట్ మీరు వస్తున్నారు. ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ లో ఫస్ట్ మీరే ఉన్నారు కదా, అందుకే మీరే వస్తున్నారు అందరికి. All right, guys. I believe most of you are done. We do not have any queries. We can stop it for today. Let's meet again tomorrow. Bye, guys.